Flipping websites, also known as website flipping or website flipping business, is a profitable way to make money online by buying, improving, and selling websites for a profit. This online venture doesn't require a substantial initial investment, making it accessible to entrepreneurs of all levels. Here's how to get started and generate easy website profits through website flipping. 1. Learn the basics. Before diving into website flipping, familiarize yourself with website valuation, online marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and web design. Knowledge is your key to making informed decisions. 2. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to invest in purchasing and improving websites. This budget will guide your decision-making throughout the process. 3. Identify a niche. Choose a niche or industry you're interested in or have expertise in. A niche you're passionate about is more likely to motivate you to succeed. 4. Scout for websites. Browse online marketplaces like Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Shopify Exchange to find websites for sale. Look for websites that have potential but may need improvements. 5. Evaluate websites. Assess potential website acquisitions based on various factors, including traffic, revenue, expenses, domain authority, and growth potential. Conduct due diligence to verify the website's claims. 6. Negotiate and acquire. Once you find a promising website, negotiate the purchase price with the seller. Be prepared to negotiate and seek a fair deal. 7. Improve the website. After acquiring the website, work on improving its content, design, user experience, and SEO. Address any technical issues and optimize for better performance. 8. Drive traffic. Implement marketing strategies to increase website traffic. Utilize SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, or paid advertising to attract visitors. 9. Monetize the website. Explore different monetization methods, such as Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling products and services related to your niche. 10. Track and document. Keep detailed records of your website's performance, including traffic, revenue, expenses, and improvements made. This information will be valuable when selling the site. 11. Sell the website. When you feel the website has reached its potential, list it for sale on online marketplaces. Present your website's growth and profitability to attract potential buyers. 12. Negotiate the sale. Negotiate the selling price with potential buyers. Be transparent about your website's performance and potential for growth. 13. Transfer ownership. Once you've agreed on a sale price, facilitate the transfer of ownership and assets, including domain registration and hosting accounts. 14. Repeat the process. With the profits from your first website sale, reinvest in acquiring and improving other websites. Scaling your website flipping business can lead to higher profits over time. Website flipping offers a flexible and potentially lucrative way to make money online. While it may require time and effort, the potential for easy website profits makes it an attractive venture for online entrepreneurs. By following these steps and staying diligent, you can succeed in the website flipping business and build a profitable online portfolio.